This is going to be a two-part video on how to tie up a cut bait rig. First I'll go over the materials. You'll need some beads, nail clippers, a marker. I use a knot tire 50-pound test leader material. I don't use fluorocarbon. Some bead peggets, a bait head, some teasers, a bead chain, a dual lock, a snap, a couple of hooks, and a cheap barrel swivel. You don't need a ball bearing one. So the first step is to I take an arm's length of the leader material. Then I tie on the barrel swivel. Then I measure off from the barrel swivel 12-inch increments, mark it with a marker. And then cut off the rest of this. All right, then we just start putting beads on. First bead, first teaser, the next bead, and the first bead pegget. Slide it up to that first mark, the first 12-inch mark. Next teaser. Next bead. Again, a bead pegget. And slide it to your magic marker 12-inch mark. And then your last teaser. And then we tie on the bead chain swivel. And there we have the front portion. You've got a teaser, 12 inches, another teaser, 12 inches, another teaser, and then 12 inches the B-chain swivel. So that's the end of part 1.